How to fix audio and video not playing in PowerPoint. So there's nothing more stressful than getting ready to give a presentation, clicking play on a video or audio clip, and getting met with total silence. So we are going over the quickest fixes for the media playback issues and get your slides running perfectly. So most of the time media won't play because PowerPoint doesn't recognize the specific file format or codec of the video you inserted. Thankfully, PowerPoint has a built-in repair tool for this. So look up at the top left corner of your screen, click on File, then click on the Info tab. If PowerPoint detects a weird media format in your presentation, a giant box will appear right here called Optimize Media Compatibility. Go ahead and click that button. PowerPoint will automatically scan your slides, convert any troublesome video or audio tracks into standard formats, and fix the underlying glitches. If that button isn't showing up, your media file format is fine, but your playback settings might be misconfigured. So go back to your slide with the arrow, and then click on the video or audio icon. And then look at the top menu ribbon, and you will see this new playback tab appear. So first, look at the video volume or audio volume icon on the left to ensure it's not accidentally set to mute. Second, look at the Start drop-down menu. If it's set to in-click sequence, you actually have to click your mouse during the show to make it start. You can change this to automatically here, if you want the media to play the exact moment you transition to that slide. And one last major trap: if you inserted a video from a USB drive or shared network, you then unplug that drive or change locations, PowerPoint won't be able to find that source file anymore. So that is it. This is your rescue. If this helps, don't forget to subscribe.